I'm Dr. Saroja Koppala, infertility specialist and clinical director, Nova IVF Kukatpalli branch. Today, I really want to discuss with you a case that really touched my heart, not because it is rare, but it is because of the courage and the perseverance the couple had in taking treatment. So, this is a couple who had one IVF cycle outside. She was 32-year-old with 5.5 years of married life, and she had TB before, for which she took anti-tubercular treatment. And she took one cycle of IVF outside. In that, she got 2 embryos, but the endometrium was very, very thin, because of which she had hysteroscopy and PRP twice, one before the IVF procedure, another after the IVF procedure. But unfortunately, she didn't fall pregnant. The couple were devastated, they were so upset, and they just shut themselves from the outside world. So when I met them, I did a scan, I looked at their previous records. What was striking was their endometrium was very, very thin in all the scans. So we underwent first IVF cycle. We got 2 embryos. This time, like compared to previous time, we had 2 blastocysts, but the endometrium was still thin. But this couple never gave up hope. They told, okay ma'am, no problem, let's do another IVF cycle. Let us have few more embryos for us so that it will improve our success rates. So we underwent another IVF cycle. So we got this time 6 embryos. That was a major step forward. But the endometrium remained thin. So we did hysteroscopy, and after discussion regarding the PRP, we did PRP also, but the endometrium continued to be thin. So everybody again would have lost hope here, but again not this couple. So now started our 5 months of journey of preparing the endometrium. So we started with the HRT cycle. That didn't work out. We increased the dose, increased the length, duration, but it didn't work out. Then we tried down-regulated frozen embryo transfer cycle. That didn't work out. We tried a natural cycle. That didn't work out. But finally, in the natural cycle, we changed the dose and the duration, and that really worked out, and it gave us a beautiful endometrium. Slowly and steadily, the endometrium improved, and we thought, oh, this is the perfect endometrium for the embryo to implant. And during the right time, we transferred 2 blastocysts, and she fell pregnant. I still can remember today how we all felt, and many of our team members were in tears really. So with the right attitude, the right approach and right timing, we can make success. Like in difficult cases also, we can plan and achieve the pregnancy. So never give up hope. Always we have to try the best treatment for the couple in particular who is in front of us.